Welcome to Reviving Wood, where creativity meets sustainability. In this journey, we delve into the art of transforming old wood into stunning, functional masterpieces. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out, this video will inspire you to explore the beauty and potential of reclaimed timber. Old wood tells a story, and with the right vision and tools, you can breathe new life into it. From handcrafted furniture to unique home decor, the possibilities are endless. We'll share tips, techniques, and DIY projects that are not only eco-friendly but also enriching to your living space. Join us as we uncover the secrets of rustic charm and modern design, blending innovation with tradition. Let's create together, reviving wood to find its purpose once again. Old wood carries a history that can be felt in its textures, colors, and imperfections. Each piece has a unique story, manifesting its journey through time, weather, and use. When transformed into furniture or decor, it brings an unparalleled authenticity to any space. Whether it's the rugged charm of barnwood or the timeless elegance of vintage oak, reclaimed wood can infuse warmth and character into homes, making it a coveted choice for discerning homeowners and decorators alike. As environmental concerns become more pressing, the call to action is clear. We must adopt practices that reduce waste and conserve resources. Utilizing reclaimed wood is a practical and impactful way to engage in sustainable living. By opting to repurpose old materials, you not only contribute to the reduction of deforestation, but also decrease landfill waste. This eco-friendly approach resonates not just with consumers, but with a broader community striving for greener practices in all aspects of life. Investing in reclaimed wood projects can be both cost-effective and rewarding. Sourcing materials from local suppliers or even salvaging from old structures can significantly reduce costs compared to purchasing new lumber. Moreover, engaging in DIY projects allows you to allocate funds towards high-quality finishes and craftsmanship, rather than labor expenses. The satisfaction of creating something beautiful with your own hands, all while saving money, makes this craft exceptionally appealing. One of the most exciting aspects of working with reclaimed wood is its versatility. The material can be transformed into a diverse range of projects, catering to various tastes and skill levels. From exquisite dining tables and rustic bookshelves to decorative wall art and innovative storage solutions, the options are limitless. This adaptability allows artisans to express their individuality while producing items that serve practical purposes in everyday life. Reviving Wood represents not just a guideline for projects, but a gateway into a vibrant community. With a growing number of individuals passionate about DIY and sustainability, you'll find a wealth of online forums, workshops, and social media groups dedicated to the art of wood repurposing. By joining this community, you can share ideas, seek advice, and draw inspiration from fellow enthusiasts, enhancing your skills and enriching your creative journey. To successfully transform old wood, familiarity with tools and techniques is essential. The right equipment can significantly influence the quality of your projects. Basic woodworking tools such as saws, drills, and sanders are crucial, but mastering techniques like joinery, finishing, and surface preparation will elevate your creations. Our guide will provide detailed insights into tool selection, maintenance, and safe handling practices to ensure a smooth crafting experience. Safety is paramount when working with tools and reclaimed materials. It's important to understand how to work safely to prevent accidents and injuries. Essential safety gear, such as goggles, gloves, and dust masks, should be worn at all times. Additionally, maintaining a clean and organized workspace not only enhances productivity, but also minimizes risks. By prioritizing safety, you can fully enjoy the creative process without unnecessary worries. One of the most rewarding aspects of working with reclaimed wood is the opportunity for personalization. Each project allows you to inject your personal style, making the final product uniquely yours. Incorporating elements like custom designs, chosen finishes, and special details enhances the emotional connection you'll have with your creations. These personalized pieces can also make meaningful gifts or cherished family heirlooms that carry personal significance. Once you've completed your masterpieces, finding ways to showcase your work is essential. Consider creating an online portfolio, participating in local craft fairs, or joining social media groups dedicated to woodworking and DIY projects. Sharing your creations not only celebrates your accomplishments, but also inspires others to engage in woodworking, fostering a community of creativity and appreciation for handcrafted goods. As technology advances and awareness of sustainable practices grows, the future of wood repurposing looks bright. Consumers are increasingly drawn to unique, handcrafted items over mass-produced alternatives. By mastering the craft of transforming old wood today, you position yourself at the forefront of this burgeoning market, appealing to discerning buyers looking for authenticity and sustainability in their purchases. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you taking the time to explore reviving wood, transforming old wood into functional masterpieces. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights to kickstart your journey into the world of reclaimed wood crafting. If you enjoyed our content, please subscribe to our channel for more amazing ideas and tutorials. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and fellow DIY enthusiasts. Together, we can spread the love for sustainability and creativity. Thank you for being part of our community. Let's continue to transform old wood into beautiful masterpieces.